Jason Hubbard here, Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Today I'm out in an Ashton Woods community called Madera. I'm in the Sultana series, and I just took a look at the model that they have, and that's the Juniper floor plan. That one's a three-car tandem floor plan. That's approximately 3,150 square feet. And now I'm taking a look at one of their RV garage floor plans you'll see here. This one here is called the Aspen floor plan. It's 2,451 square feet. If you're building this one, it currently has a base price at $615,990 and up to $620,990 depending on what elevation that you choose. They also have some specs in the property or in the area. This one here currently has a quick move-in price of $669,990. We're gonna take a look at this one. I mean, just the big factor here is the RV garage. A lot of people looking for RV garages. Here you go. On a 9,750 square foot lot, you can get a 2,450 square foot home with an RV garage. So here we are outside of the Aspen floor plan. Let's go ahead and take a walk through. Starting at the front here, we'll note nice big covered porch area. And this property is facing north, so it's going to be, this porch is going to have shade all day long. So as we come in through this front door, again, which seems to be a signature for this series of homes, a nice big open entryway, okay? As we come in here to the right, again, we have two bedrooms split off from each other. The one at the front we'll call bedroom number one. Nice, big, spacious bedroom. So this big, spacious bedroom here is going to have a Jack and Jill bathroom that's going to lead right into the other bedroom. I'm just going to take a quick video here of the bathroom. And then rather than go all the way through, I'm going to come back in through the entryway here and go into this bedroom number two. Bedroom number two is also a pretty nice, big, spacious bedroom. Both of them, of course, having closets, not walk-in closets, but regular closets. As we come back around, come down the hallway, this is going to be the area where you would come in from the garage. But here you have a nice half bathroom for guests and for people just using the home. Nice big laundry room. As we come back out, you have in the off the hallway here a nice big den area. You could easily put some nice doors on there or leave it open, whatever you prefer. As you come back down the hallway, you will notice here the double doors again to the outside. Over here, you got a nice kitchen nook / dining area. Notice the difference here when we looked at the Juniper. Of course, the Juniper was a model home, and it had all the upgrades with the cabinets and countertops going all the way to the end of the home. This one does not have that. This is more standard, but you'll see here it's still got a nice cabinets and a nice quartz countertop on top of it. You still have the gas range, oven, and microwave. A nice pantry here. And you'll see a big living area. Again, this home significantly smaller than the Juniper. This one is 2,451 square feet. This is a nice big bedroom. So although you're only seeing 3 bedrooms here, you are seeing 3 bedrooms and a den, but the bedrooms are pretty big in size. Separate tub and shower. Nice big walk-in closet here. And as we come back in, that's going to do it for the Juniper plan, although we will step into the garage just so you can see what the inside of this RV garage looks like here. In this garage here, you got a nice big 2-car garage, which is actually a tandem, and then you have the RV garage as well. which is obviously higher, and an exterior door over there. One thing I will note, so this particular model that we're in right now, this particular house, when they first built these RV garages, they put the posts in them. They are now building them without the post. So those posts won't be there. They had to redo that floor plan and they took those posts out. So there's other floor plans, other specs available. And you can, if you build this floor plan now with the RV garage, those posts will not be there. Okay, and then the other thing to note is this particular floor plan comes standard with a large 4-car super garage. This RV garage is an upgrade. It's about $44,000 upgrade, but it comes standard with a big, massive 4-car super garage, which I am going to show you in another video. So again, Jason Hubbard here, Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty, just finishing up here at the Aspen floor plan with the RV garage here at Ashton Woods in Sultana, at Madera, in Queen Creek. If you find these videos interesting and you're busy, you can't get out, look at homes, you're in another state, whatever it may be, please make sure to like and subscribe each video. And that way you can follow around and see the different floor plans throughout the valley, and hopefully we can help you find what you're looking for. One thing I did want to note here with the Aspen model, I just got done showing you the RV garage option on the floor plan. This is the standard 4-car super garage that comes with the floor plan. I'll take a walk through and show you the difference in the garage. The rest of the house is the same, so no need to cover that, but I did want to show you the difference from the RV garage to the super 4-car garage that's standard, noting that the RV garage is a $44,000 upgrade. So as you look at the front of that 4-car tandem garage, a super garage, notice that extra 3rd-car bay is taller than the 2-car bay. But this is what it looks like on the inside. So basically it's a 4-car tandem over here, and then you can actually fit another car over here. So technically you could call it a 5-car garage. They do refer to it as a 4-car tandem garage, a super 4-car super garage. So I did just want to note this in comparison to the RV garage upgrade.